Hey everybody, my name is Roger Roberts. I'm a former Navy SEAL, did 24 years in the SEAL teams, now I'm a certified personal trainer and nutritionist. I've trained kids for over 20 years that want to be Navy SEAL, diver, SWCC, EOD, Air Rescue for the Navy programs. And now what I've done is I've started a local program here in Arizona for folks that want to start getting in shape that haven't really worked out much before, and I call it K.I.S.S. Keep It Super Simple Fitness. Now my website is SEAL Fit for Life. So what I'm going to show you here today is how you can do dips even if you're someone that thinks like, oh, I'm not that strong, I can't really do dips. Yes, you can. When it comes to resistance, all you do is add more weight or less weight to create the resistance. Time under tension, how long you do a particular movement will give you time under tension. For me, if I don't have any weights, I can sit here and I can do shoulder workout with no weights at all, but what I do is I just go to failure and I pause at the top and I use a tempo like 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3, for example. And I might do anywhere from 25 to 50 reps of a certain movement to be able to hit failure. So when it comes to the dips here, if you're not very strong at doing dips, you can use chairs. Yeah, if you got bands, you can use bands just like with pull-ups. But if you're at home and all you have is a couple of chairs, then what you're going to do is keep your feet on the ground, and that's going to give you the resistance or take away the poundage so you're able to do the dips. So what you're going to do is don't focus on your legs, just let them hang there, and focus on your arms. Go all the way down, go all the way up, and you continue this motion until you hit failure. Failure is when you attempt to do a rep and you can't finish anymore, and then you stop. That's failure. So an easy way to do it is to count by fives. So as I'm doing my workouts, like when I'm doing pull-ups, I count by fives. Some people just count by twos, okay? Because my max was 70 in a pike position, so I count by fives. But if you're gonna count by twos, it'd be up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4. On here, do it by fives. Up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, and repeat that. 4 and then 2, 4 and then 3, and then 4 and then 5. Mentally, it's a whole heck of a lot easier. And so if you apply these techniques into your workout, you're going to have a really great workout. Again, when you're doing dips like this, as you get stronger, use less of your legs, and before you know it, you got your legs off the ground and you're doing your dips. So for more daily information, go to my post on Instagram at SEAL Fit for Life, and have a great day.